In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use locations in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing multiple branches of your business or simply want to keep a closer track of different departments, understanding how to use locations in QuickBooks can significantly enhance your bookkeeping accuracy and reporting capabilities. First things first, if you don't yet have a QuickBooks account, you'll need to sign up. Visit the QuickBooks website and follow the instructions to create your account. If you already have an account, all you need to do is click on the Sign In option for QuickBooks Online. Enter your login credentials and proceed by clicking Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password, and once you've done so, click Continue again. Next, you'll see a list of company files. Choose the one you want to work on. After selecting your file, you should be in the QuickBooks interface. Now look towards the top right corner and click on the Settings option. From there, proceed to click on Account and Settings. Here, you will find a tab labeled Advanced. Click that and get ready to dive into some more detailed settings. To enable location tracking, scroll down to the Categories section. Here you'll find an option called Track Locations. Toggle the switch to turn this feature on, enabling you to categorize transactions and reports by different locations. Remember to click Save to apply these changes and then hit Done to exit the settings menu. Now that location tracking is enabled, you can start creating your specific business locations. To do this, head over to the Sales section in the left sidebar and select Products and Services. Click on the More drop-down menu and choose Manage Locations. A new menu will appear. Click on New Location. Here, you'll be able to input details such as the location name, like Main Office, or Warehouse A, along with any relevant address details and other important information. With your locations set up, it's time to assign them to your financial transactions. When you're creating invoices, expenses, or bills, always check the Location drop-down field. This allows you to select the appropriate location for each transaction, ensuring your records are neatly organized. If you're managing inventory, go back to Products and Services. For each inventory item, edit its details and make sure you assign the specific locations where this inventory is stored or sold. This step is crucial for maintaining an accurate inventory flow across your different locations. Finally, to really make the most of location tracking, QuickBooks allows you to generate reports based on locations. Navigate to the Reports section and choose options like Profit and Loss by Location or Balance Sheet by Location. Customize these reports by date ranges to analyze the performance of each individual location over time. And there you have it. By using locations in QuickBooks Online, you're setting yourself up for more detailed financial insights and better resource management across your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.